Good evening. My son is not home. Okay. There's Lizzie for the retired man. This is latest little groceries at home. Okay, I have my cooking oil out there and my dishwashing and tissue box. Okay, this is only little uh, groceries at the Crescent, Dover, near our house. April 26, 2026. We have some chicken, pork, and ham, more on chicken, okay? And then have some juice, okay? And down here, we have a little more. This is April 26, 2026. We have some mango, apple, orange, vegetable, lettuce, our favorite. Normal daily use, okay? And some noodles, bread, wholemeal bread, rolls, more rolls, okay? Enjoy at Home Block 4, the World of Singapore. Latest little groceries, okay? I use my PNB. Enjoy, folks. Yeah, my debit, PNB debit. April 26, 2026. Enjoy Singapore.